to another video. Today we're going to be making some galaxy slime. So what you need is some activator, baking soda, some glue or glitter glue, and some bowls. Open your glue and just pour everything on the bowl.
Oh yes! Oh yes!
Bowls, you can go ahead and take half a cup of water and pour it into your bowls. And now you can mix.
It's shiny.
Slimy.
Yes.
Next step is to pour half a tablespoon of baking soda into the bowls, like this.
Lemon. Oh, lemon. Oh, lemon.
And now you can go ahead and pour like silver glitter into the glue. Once the glitter is in, you can then keep mixing. This is when the magic happens. You have to pour a tablespoon of contact solution into your slime. And once you poured it for all of the glue, you can start mixing.
Oh, Daddy man.
Good not.
Oh, that's Daddy man. Oh, no, that's Mama. No, okay. Oh, hey, you're the other this. This is.
Ew. Everything. You can roll it out like this and just roll it together. And you want it to look like a galaxy. And don't mix it like too much or it won't look like a galaxy. So you can mix it like this is. Once you're done with your galaxy slime, make sure you put it away in a like plastic bag or a container so it doesn't dry up.
Oh! That's a hole!
Pop it.
Oh, that's a big hole.
All of the ingredients for your galaxy slime will be located in the link in the description below. So we hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and hit the bell button. Bye!